Good evening, and we're back. So, kami yung makukulit dito na mahilig mag-live. So, this time naman, we're doing live for Prima Gold. So, kanina, may Prima Silver. So, ngayon naman may Prima Gold. So, definitely, since this is gold, this is gonna be much better than silver. Although they are equally good depending on the coverage that you're looking for, 'di ba? So what is Prima Gold? Prima Gold is a prepaid product for all ages, including senior citizens. Okay? So kanina yung Prima Silver, it's for unlimited checkup and laboratories. It's the same with Prima Gold. And the highlight or the only difference is with Prima Gold naman, it has an emergency coverage. So we'll expand more about that in the later slides. So how much is Prima Gold?
Yeah. So, si Prima Gold naman, 16,888 siya. One-time payment for 1 year. Yeah.
All right. So 16,888, and if you have a credit card, you have an option for installment. So if you have BPI and Union Bank, you have an option for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 12 months. Now, ano yung highlight nitong card na to? So una, the coverage of Prima Gold, it has pre-existing conditions coverage. So what does that mean? Kasi 'di ba, um especially itong card na to, it covers up to senior citizen. Most of the time, yung as we age, 'di ba, magkakaroon tayo ng mga pre-existing conditions, and usually for individual or family accounts, the price is getting higher as you as you age up. So ngayon with Prima Gold, it stays the same at 16,888, of course, unless MaxiCare changed the pricing. And with that, you already have access to unlimited laboratories and procedures, and even consultations in our primary care centers nationwide. So later, we'll also discuss asan yung mga primary care centers ni MaxiCare. So imagine that's over 800 lab tests and procedures. So more likely than not, yung mga kailangan yung ipagawa will be covered. But of course, you need to refer to the list, di ba? So, it also have unlimited outpatient consultations in our MaxiCare primary care centers nationwide. So, let's proceed. Additionally, meron po siyang annual ER coverage of 20,000 for one-time use. So, of course, 'di ba, when it comes to ER, yan po yung mga life-threatening conditions or those that requires immediate medical attention within the first 24 hours. And if that's the case, then more likely the bill may reach up to 20,000. So for one-time use, meron po kayong emergency coverage with Prima Gold. Tapos meron din tayong some annual dental benefits with Prima Gold. So we'll discuss that again in the next slides. And yun pa, may access kayo to MaxiCare 24/7 teleconsult. So, example na lang, 'di ba, kung ang i-avail nyo to for your parents, 'di ba, yung mga senior citizens natin, they don't really need to visit the clinic all the time. Bakit? Kasi 'di ba, they are already high risk, they are prone to contracting other sickness kapag nasa public sila. And kung they are just experiencing mild symptoms, then they can just call our teleconsult hotline so they can get the prescription they need or even the request for laboratories and procedures. In that way, kung may request na din sila, then they can set up an appointment with the primary care clinics, and then that's the only time that they need to go, diba? Next benefit.
Yan. So, next naman is group life with accidental death and dismemberment up to 50,000 covered for 1 year. So, na-explain na din namin siya sa ibang products kasi nga, ano siya, no, bonus siya bonus feature siya sa sa lahat almost ng MaxiCare products. Then, yan, valid for 1 year. So, sa 16,888 nyo, magagamit nyo na siya sa only consultations and laboratories. Tapos, meron pang ER coverage na valid for 1 year. So, saan ka pa, di ba?
That's right. So, next is who can apply for Prima Gold?
Yeah. So, sino nga ba ang eligible to apply? Same din siya kay Prima Silver. All individuals from baby up to senior citizen. So, yeah.
All right. Thank you for that. So, that's one of the advantage of Prima Gold and Prima Silver kasi nga usually individual and family accounts or company accounts are only good up to 60 to 65. So if your parents or your spouse or yourself is already more than 65 years old, for example, or over 60 years old, then it's a good option for you para you can still get your checkups done. Kasi 'di ba as we also grow older, definitely mas marami din yung mga check-up na kailangan nating ipagawa, 'di ba? So, next is pre-existing condition is covered, yes, with Prima Gold. So, kung may ano ka na, limbawa, you have high blood pressure, usually meron na yung regular check-up, 'di ba? Depende monthly, every 2 months, every 3 months. So, as long as yung mga nire-request ng doctors ninyo is andun sa 800 list of laboratories and procedures, then it's gonna be covered with Prima Gold Unlimited for 1 year, 'di ba? So that's the advantage. And where can we avail the unlimited checkups and laboratories?
So, nakikita nyo sa screen nyo is yung updated list of MaxiCare Primary Care Center. So, if you need this list to like check kung saan ba may malapit sa inyong clinics, pwede kayo mag-reach out sa amin. Ito yung contact details namin. And isa-send namin siya sa inyo. So, yon. Meron si MaxiCare sa Alabang, sa Ayala, sa Bacolod, meron na din sa Baguio, Davao, Pasay, and Fairview sa Quezon City. Then, meron din siya sa So, meron din sa Bridgetown, sa CDO, meron na din, Cagayan de Oro. Cebu, meron na din. Iloilo, Imus, Laguna, and San Juan. Ayan. Tapos sa Eton Centuries, sa Angeles City, Pampanga. Then, sa Taguig. So, hindi lang yan yung list. Actually, ayan pala yung list, pero don't worry kasi si MaxiCare, continue siya nag-expand.
Yes, so we will see a lot more MaxiCare owned clinics in the future. So mas dadami yung access ninyo sa kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-avail ng or kung saan nyo pwedeng gamitin yung Prima Gold. Now, for the list of laboratories and procedures, let me show you that here really quick. So, 'di ba as we mentioned, it's 800 laboratories and procedures. So, bigyan ko lang kayo ng sample. So, yan, katulad niyan, yung mga blood chemistry, blood uric acid, creatinine, fasting blood sugar, follicle stimulating hormone, potassium, sodium. Yung mga test na ito, yan, ECG, covered siya ni Prima Gold, 24-hour Holter monitoring, 24-hour ambulatory blood pressure monitoring, 2D echo, yung mga heart-related na laboratories, even abdominal CT scan, kasama po siya sa Prima Gold. Tapos, ayan, karamihan nito mga ano siya mga blood test, 'di ba? So, if for example, you know for a fact na ikaw lagi kang check up, lagi kang nagpapa-laboratories and procedures, then you can check yung mga usual na pinapagawa sa ng doktor mo and check this list kasi 'di ba you would know, especially if you don't have an HMO, you would know how much these tests usually cost, and if you add it up and multiply it to how many times you have to do it, then makikita mo na you will really save a lot when it comes to availing Prima Gold kasi nga marami siyang coverage. So bigyan ko na lang kayo ng example, 'di ba? CT scan, covered siya ng Prima Gold. So abdominal CT scan, chest CT scan, mga yan, pelvic bone, stonogram, whole abdomen, cranial, brain plane, chest plane, paranasal, temporal bone, urinary bladder. Itong mga na to, procedure na to, 'di ba? Napakamahal nito. That's CT scan cost in the Philippines, 'di ba? If we search for it, so for example,
8,000,
depende pa siya,
4K to 8K.
Yes, so example natin si brain plane CT scan.
Mahal.
Diba? 4,000. Chest plane, 7,300. Yung mga, ito is with Dr. Jose. So, of course, hindi naman tayo dito mag-avail, diba? Kasi primary care centers only. Pero, just giving you an idea on how much usually the CT scans cost. And if you have to do it more than once in a year, then makakatipid kayo with Prima Gold. And then, covered din dito, usually yung mga tinatanong sa akin is CT scan, although MRI is not covered, ultrasound, ayan, as you can see, breast ultrasound, one organ ultrasound, pelvic ultrasound, although hindi po covered ang pregnancy, but any other OB-GYN related concerns, covered yung pelvic ultrasound, abdominal aorta, chest, liver, lower abdomen, ayan, ang daming ultrasound na covered dito. So again, if, 'di ba, if for example, you have PCOS and you have to do a transvaginal ultrasound. And of course, you may need to do it more than once in a year to check if you still have PCOS, 'di ba? If ginagamot yung condition, then malaki rin naman yung matitipid niyo talaga with with the Prima Gold, especially because yung access po ninyo dito when it comes to the specialist is itong mga to, 'di ba? Cardiologist, endocrinologist, obstetrician, gynecologist or OB/GYN, pediatrician, ENT, medical dermatologist, ophthalmologist, general surgeon, and internal medicine. So, especially yung mga specializations, syempre usually mahal ang consultation fee nila. So, imagine having unlimited checkup with these specializations or specialized doctors for 1 year. Just for paying 16,888 per month. I mean, for 1 year rather, one-time payment. So, malaki na talaga yung matitipid ninyo. So, again, that's the part that I say that it's cost-effective. Ano pa ba yung mga reasons why you should apply?
Yan. So, meron din siyang access to teleconsult. And ngayon na-discuss na rin namin kanina na if hindi mo naman talaga need, especially sa mga senior citizen natin dyan, na as long as hindi nila need pumunta sa physical location, physical clinic, pwede silang mag-teleconsult to avoid na rin na mahawa sila sa ibang sakit na pwede na lang makuha kapag nagpunta sila sa ibang clinics. Kasi medyo vulnerable na, di ba, kapag senior citizen. And ganun din sa mga kids. So, if simple cough or fever lang yan, pwede kayo mag-teleconsult na lang muna. Then, if need ng procedure or labs, pwede na kayo pumunta sa physical location. Tapos, yan, pre-existing conditions are covered. So, yung mga PEC conditions ni nyo, covered siya. Tapos, fast application, fast availment din. Ang ibig sabihin yan, kapag nag-avail ka tonight, tapos ni-register mo din siya tonight, after 24 hours or kinabukasan, active na yung account nyo and pwede nyo nang magamit. Tapos yun nga, na-discuss na din na over 800 laboratories are covered. Tapos na-show na rin kung ano-ano yun. But, if you need a list or PDF file for that laboratories and procedures na covered, you may contact us via text, call, WhatsApp. Tapos meron din kami Facebook dyan, naka-flash the screen. Pwede namin isend sa inyo. Tapos, lastly, ayun nga, emergency coverage. Up to 20,000 yan for 1 year.
Yeah, so that's a good thing about Prima Gold, especially if imagine the person you want to avail it for are your parents or your spouse, 'di ba? Um they have emergency coverage for 20,000. So even on that alone, 'di ba, yung 16,888 mo, bawi mo na siya. And then also we have the rather the 800 laboratories covered and access to teleconsult. So hindi kayo mahihirapan when it comes to your loved ones medical needs kasi nga we've made it so much convenient and at the same time really practical kasi yung mga usual na kailangang ipagawa, yun po yung available sa ating MaxiCare Prima Gold. So how to apply for MaxiCare Prima Gold?
Yeah, so step 1, reach out to a reliable agent. So wag kayong hihingi or magre-reach out sa agent na hindi nyo alam kung totoong agent ba or not. Kumbaga, iwas sa scammers. Then, fill out registration form. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable agent, yan nga, reach out to us. Kasi, kami, agent talaga. Meron din way to determine if someone is a truly legit na agent sa website nila. Meron na din kaming na-discuss or video about that. So, stop nyo na lang yung page namin. Then, yan, fill out registration form. Meron kami sa team namin, meron kaming sariling registration form. Tapos, avail the card via MaxiCare online shop or send the payment to your trusted agent. So, itong option na to, yung pag-send ng payment to your trusted agent, optional lang yan. And sa amin lang namin yan ina-apply. Marami na kaming client na ganun yung pinili nilang option and hindi naman namin sila in-scam. So, yun. Kung sa iba yan, I suggest wag kayo na mag-avail ng card sa online shop. Then, yun, e-card details will be sent to your email within 24 hours after registering. Actually, hindi siya within, after 24 hours after registering siya. Then, your card will be activated and ready to use after 24 hours. 24 hours after registering, sorry.
Yes, that's right. So, again, if you have more questions about Prima Gold, don't hesitate to reach out to us para masagot namin yung mga questions ninyo. Okay? So, again, thank you for tonight and I hope you have a good night, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.